Hey guys, welcome back to Cash Creator. So what I'm thinking is कि do you believe like first month of 2021 is already getting to an end? Like February आ रहा है guys and I'm so in shocked. Like I'm still digesting the fact कि जनवरी ख़त्म हो रहा है एंड फेब्रुआरी इज़ अबाउट टू स्टार्ट. क्या किया मैंने ये एक महीना? कितने रेजोल्यूशन तोड़े, कितने बनाए? कमेंट डाउन बिलो किस किस ने रेजोल्यूशन बनाए और उस पे डटे रहे या दे स्टिक टू इट, या कितनों ने अपना रेजोल्यूशन तोड़ा मेरी तरह. तोड़ा तो नहीं है, बहुत कुछ मेंटेन किया है दो, बट यस. सो एज यू नो कि फेब्रुआरी स्टार्ट हो रहा है, सो इट इज़ टाइम फॉर फेब्रुआरी प्लान विथ मी. Mind well, this video is going to be really long, but this time I used a lot more fun colors in the spread and मज़ा आया ये वाला प्लान विथ मी बना के. इट वॉज वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक टू बी सेइंग because the theme was very randomish and I don't know, it was quite appealing to me. So enough of rambling, let's get into the So guys, let us start with writing the word of the month, which is wander. As you can see, I did a mistake, but that's exactly fine. This is a flip through of my January bullet journal setup. So let us start with the February bullet journal setup. So when I was thinking of the word of the month, something really felt me with wander. Wander as in, it's not only like physically wandering or going out somewhere or something like that in my mind, but wander is let your mind wander wherever it wants to. So that is what the word wander means to me. So as you can see, we are starting with the cover page. I did this really cool technique which I wanted to try from very long time. This is everyone's favorite thing and it's very easy to do. I wanted something which is colorful yet a vintage look, so you'll see me doing some vintage things as well in it. So the cover page and the quote page both has the similar style, but cover page में कैसा वो circular form में था और quote page में वो horizontal form में मैंने किया. So yeah, let us start with the cover page. cover page के लिए मैं ना एक डिज़ाइन सोच रही थी कि क्या करूँ और then I thought of something I did in my other book, which was this earth and compass theme, which was very kind of vintage to me, but I really liked it. And उसके साथ कलर्स को कंबाइन करना बहुत अच्छा लुक्स दे रहा था. So yeah, that is what the inspiration was for me. A bit vintage but colorful vintage. So yeah, and compass से traveling क्या बोलते हैं उसको, relevant लगता है. So yep, that was my idea for February theme. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but yeah, that was that. So as you can see, I drew some dots, some like random element here and there, and there are very minimal items I'm using in terms of products. So here I drew a plane which represents my mind or my heart. So here I'm writing February, which is a very stamp lettery font. I don't know what to say, but I guess stamp letter font is what it is called. It was very difficult to write that small, to be very honest. And then I erase it all. I thought the color would fade away after erasing, but it didn't. So I'm really happy. Now let's go on to the quote page. So the quote which I selected for this month was, wander wherever your heart wants. It's like very particular, or we can say very relevant to both the topics. Like you can go wherever your heart wants, you can travel wherever your heart wants, or you can imagine whatever your heart wants. It's like very wide range of meaning behind this quote if you have the perspective actually. So yeah, for me, I'm meditating right now because I was thinking that I overthink a lot, which is my problem, and I was trying to come up with something which would overcome this problem. But after meditating, I realized that overthinking is not a problem. Overthinking is a problem when you think continuously over it, as in आप हमेशा वही चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हो. बट देन जब मैं मेडिटेट करने लग गई, आई लेट माई माइंड दैट 5 minutes, give that 5 minutes so that it can wander wherever it wants to. जो सोचना है सोचो, बट वो 5 minutes के बाद you can't think of that random stuff. So yeah, it was a wide explanation, but yeah, that was what it was. So we moved to the calendar page. I did this waterfall effect kind of stuff, which I don't know how it turned out, but it was quite good, to be very honest. So I'm coloring the squares or the boxes where I'll be writing the numbers of the month, from pink, purple, all the colors which I have already been using. And you know, this spread is so good to look at because it's exactly 4 rows and each has 7 days. It's so aesthetically pleasing to look at it. Yup. I regretted coloring the compass down there, but then I was like कि यार 2 कलर तो कर दिए, अब आगे करना ही पड़ेगा. इससे पहले मेरा पानी का ग्लास गिर गया था, so I had to reshoot this kind of a bit. But yeah, I guess जो भी it turned out really good. So as you can see, I'm drawing another globe thing. And it's very easy. ये doodle इतना difficult भी नहीं है करना. I thought it would be very difficult, but it's easy. Okay, the cover page took me 15 minutes from the sketch till the end. The quote page took me 10 minutes from sketching till final doing. Okay, so here as you can see, I drew the compass again. And this dots wala plane thing, it's very popular, you know, and I really like the aesthetic of it. So I wrote another quote, which is one of my favorite quote these days, which is one day at a time. I always remind myself that, dude, you have to do one day at a time. आप आगे का सोच के कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Yes, you have to plan things, but you can't worry about tomorrow. and ruin your today, which is very important these days, I guess. So as you can see, I'm writing the days of the week with the same typewriter font. Actually, once you get the hang of writing this, it's easy. I just realized it. This page took me the longest. It took me 35 minutes to complete whole. By the way, you can do these designs with your sketch pens as well. If you don't have watercolors like this watercolors, so you can do it with sketch pen as well. If you want, I'll do a tutorial on it. Please let me know in the comment section below. So now we are starting with mood tracker and habit tracker. So I did this technique again. It is very easy technique. You just have to take some watercolors or your sketch pens, rub it on a plastic sheet, put some water and place it onto your paper. That's it. It's that easy. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ हार्ड वर्क नहीं है. If you want that random looking effect, वरना ब्रश से या स्केच पेन से डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो, बट मुझे वो रैंडम लुकिंग इफेक्ट चाहिए था ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफ कलर्स, सो आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग दिस एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट प्रीटी गुड, आई गेस. आई एम डूइंग 2 pages एट अ टाइम फॉर दिस टेक्निक बिकॉज सूखने टाइम लगता है वाटर कलर्स को, एंड टू write on top of it, it would ruin everything. So for the habit tracker, as usual, I'm gonna track 4 habits, which is sleeping on time, meditating, reading and writing. Yup. So I'm just doing that amber effect, but I'm failing pretty miserably, but ठीक है. अभी ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत कलर हो गया. जनवरी का स्प्रेड, देयर वाज नो कलर एट ऑल एक्सेप्ट फॉर ब्लैक, वाइट एंड सिल्वर एंड गोल्डन, और ये स्प्रेड में कलर्स ही कलर्स है. आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं, इस बार कलर्स चाहिए. लास्ट टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लैक एंड वाइट हो गया था. सेम globe and the compass again. It gives a very good look from my opinion. Again the plane. I was very inspired by a Pinterest photo. I'll leave the link of that photo in the description box below so that you can check it out. If you want to check out my 2021 bullet journal setup and January bullet journal setup, I'll link them as well in the description box below. Again, I'm using the typewriter font and as well as this box font. I forgot to do the color in the compass, so I went back and did on the calendar page. The habit tracker took me 20 minutes to finish, and the mood tracker again took me 25 minutes to finish. If you think it's very difficult for you, guys, it's not difficult. जितना ये कलर्स रैंडमली स्प्रेड होते हैं उतना ये और अच्छा दिखता है. जब आप पहली बार ले कर रहे रहते हो तो आपके हाथ शिवर करते हैं, बट आई गेस once you get the hang of it, it turns out really beautiful. So for the mood tracker I thought to do another circle mood tracker, but इस बार मैं कैसा उसको spikes में convert किया. Each spike represent one day. So I drew more of the plain things because वहाँ पे I don't feel कि compass या globe आता, because compass globe मैंने habit tracker पे already draw किया था. I am giving 6 colors, 6 moons, actually 12 moons. There are one color represent 2 moods which are very specific. I want to know what mood I was exactly in at that point of the day. So the moods are very specific. Like I have put hanger also because I do a lot of hanger issues. I get a lot angry when I'm hungry, so it's kind of a problem, but it's okay. So this is my 2-liner day and this is really helping me, so I really wanted to include it again. So I'm doing again the color thing, amber effect, I guess. This page really turned out good after trying a lot for the amber because it looks good. येलो ग्रीन में कन्वर्ट हो गया, बट ठीक है, वो अच्छा लग रहा था. The blending was really good this time. So I guess practice बहुत ज़रूरी होती है इस चीज़ में. So now I'm drawing the boxes for each day. 7 colors. I by mistakenly did the last one pink, but it has to be orange, so I'll do a color on top of it. These colors are really good, by the way. They are opaque, and if you want a very non-opaque or kind of that look, you can just add more water, and they are really affordable as well. I wrote the numbers on the calendar and on the 2-liner day page as well. This page took me 15 minutes from start to finish. And let's jump on to the first weekly spread. So I thought of doing the waterfall or the drip effect color thing, but वो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो मैंने वापस पूरा कलर कर दिया and thought of doing the amber effect. पर्पल और पिंक मिक्स हो गया तो वो मजेंटा जैसा कलर हो गया, बट एनीवे इट लुक्स गुड एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी बिकॉज आई एम रियली स्कैर्ड ऑफ डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स कि यार मेरी बुक खराब हो गई तो. सो दिस टाइम व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि लास्ट टाइम के जैसे गलती ना करने के वजह से मैंने येलो कलर पहले किया, फिर ग्रीन और येलो को ब्लेंड किया सो दैट येलो कलर दिखे. अगेन जैसे कि मैंने इसमें किया था कैलेंडर में, इसमें भी मैं वही सेम कलर यूज़ कर रही हूँ फॉर द नंबर्स ऑफ द डेज. As you can see, I finished it. Now the same thing again, the globe and the compass. I'm writing days 6 and 7 with normal handwriting. And a single plane over there. So the days of the week इनिशियल्स भी मैं वैसे ही टाइपराइटर फॉन्ट में ही लिखने वाली हूँ. एक्चुअली अभी तक इधर तक आते आते मुझे इतना इजी हो गया था ये लिखना कि आई वॉज नॉट इवन थिंकिंग, नॉट इवन सीइंग कि मैं बराबर लिख रही हूँ कि नहीं. डायरेक्ट इट वॉज वेरी ईजी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज यू हैव डिड इट सो मैनी टाइम्स. आपने इतनी बार लिख लिया होता है कि अब आपको आदत हो गई होती है उस चीज़ की. और मैंने जो जो प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे यूज़ किए हैं या जो जो सप्लाइज़ मैंने यूज़ किए मैं सब डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिख दूँगी. So if you want you can just check it out from there. And I'm rubbing it all off. This page took me 35 minutes to complete in total. So here is a quick flip through. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun chatting with you all, and I'm looking forward to February a lot more. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have already liked this video. Comment down below what theme you want me to do next. Also share this video if you feel it was informative and taught you something. Plus I guess अगर आप बुलेट जर्नल नहीं भी करते हो तो ये theme as an artist is very cool and relaxing. It was for me at least, so I hope it does for you all too. And please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video on YouTube. Also अगर आपको देखना है कि ये सारे spreads एक साथ कैसे लगते हैं, please follow me on Instagram @kash_creator. So yeah, until we meet, bye.